Attention Realtors! Are your listings struggling to attract buyers? Did you know that a clean, welcoming home can drastically improve showings and close deals faster? Enter TidyTex Home Cleaning, the veteran-owned cleaning service in San Antonio that's dedicated to making your properties shine. We understand that first impressions matter. Our reliable, professional cleaning services are tailored specifically for realtors like you. With quick turnarounds and a special focus on preparing homes for open houses or buyer visits, we ensure your properties look their absolute best before any showing. Plus, here's a tidy tip. Before a showing, open all the blinds and turn on the lights. This simple trick makes spaces feel brighter and more inviting, helping buyers visualize themselves in the home. Don't let dirty spaces hold you back from closing deals. Trust TidyTex to elevate your listings and impress potential buyers. For more details, check the video description below. Contact us today at 217-951-8206 or visit api.tidytex.us. Let's work together to make your properties shine and get those offers rolling in.